perfect game, and the umpires fucked it up.
Oh,
And then it became a non-perfect game. Like the next guy walked or something. Wow.
Oh shit.